How has been your day? Want to consider past questions, you and me past questions as you are preparing for your jam. Now, this is mathematics. Now, this is mathematics. That's 2003 mathematics. So, look at the first question here. The first question states that how many different 8-letter words are possible using the letter of the word's syllabus? Now, this is permutation. Permutation is the one that deal with arrangement of numbers. So, maybe possibly in other video, I will deal with it to detail, so you will see it, all aspect of it. So you can look at this question here. Say how many different 8-letter words are possible using the letter of the word syllabus. So what you need to do is, now when they talk about arrangement of a word given to you, so like this, all you are going to do is that just simply count them. How many? What is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you have 8 factorial. Factorials mean the product of what do we call it? Of the product of all number from 8 to 1. That is 8 times 1 times 7 and the like. 8 times 7 times 6 and the like. That's until you get to 1. So that's it. Now, here, if you have distinct word that has nothing in common, like if they give you something like this word, in how many ways can this one be arranged? So, or 4 words can be, how many different 4-letter word can be formed here? So simply you can have this one as 4 factorial. That will be the answer. But in a case where you have something like this, would O repeat 2 times. So O1, O2, you don't know which one is actual O. So what you are going to simply do is that here, so it's still 4-letter word. Say you have 4 factorial. This one, taking it together, that will be 2 factorial. So that's simple expression I can give you there. So for this one, you will have 8 factorial divided by what? L, that's 2. You have 2 factorial. Then x, you have 2 factorial. So that is it. So the option that you have there, you have different options there, but the one that is correct there is this. So this one has Jamb has different type. So in any of the type that they give you, so you have this one as this. In this one, the answer there is what? C. So that is it. The answer is C. Now, again, look at another one. Say that evaluate. Question 2. Evaluate 16 raised to power 0.1/16 times 16 raised to power 0.04 times 2 raised to power 2 raised to power 2. Look at this one. You have something like this. If you can look at it from what you've learned, you know that this is indices. So in indices, what you have is a. If you have a raised to power x times a raised to power y, so this one will give you what? A raised to power x plus y. So that's what we have. So here is 16 AA. So here you have 16 raised to power 16.16. Then what do you have there? Plus 0.04. Then times 2 raised to power 2.2. I believe you are following. So this is what we have here. Again, you simply add this together. If you want to add it together, you have 1.6, 0.04. If you add this one together, you have 2.0. So this one will give you 16 raised to power 0.2 times 2 raised to power 2.2. So this is what we have. Then a number raised to power something, 2 raised to power some one number will give you 16. So that's what 2 raised to power 4. So you have it like this: 2 raised to power 4. Then here is power there already, times 0.2 times 2 raised to power 0.2. Then here you will have 2. Then 2 times 0.2 will give you 0.8 times 2 raised to power what? 2 raised to power 0.2. Again, you apply this again because this is 2, this is 2, a. Then you apply it again. So you will have what? 2 raised to power 2.8 plus 2 raised to power 2. So adding them together, you will have 1, 2 raised to power 1. So your answer is 2. From here, the answer there is what? A. That is it. Then look at another one, question 3. Say that let asterisk and inverted V be 2 binary operation such that A asterisk B equal to A squared B and A equal to 2A plus B. You have to find 4 asterisk 2 to 7 asterisk minus 1. Now look, this is what we have to do. You are given this operation is defined as this. So what are you going to do? Simple, very simple. Here, this will represent A. For the asterisk, this is asterisk. Why this is asterisk? Now, where do you see asterisk is this. So you first of all apply this. This one will serve as another A for this because this is inverted V. This is represent A, or this one will represent A. Why all this one will represent B. So what you are going to do first is that this will go for this, and the same one will go for this. So this A. For you to get A for this side, you will have here. This is A minus 4 into bracket squared times B. That is 2. So you will have inverted this one. So this one will stand as your A. This will stand as your A. Then for this, you will have it again 7 squared times minus 1. This one will serve as your B. So here, this one will give you 16 times 2 up ahead to this 49 times minus 1. So what do you have here? 32 to minus 49. So for this one, you've done this one. So it's the one that now formed this. So if you want to do it again, you carry this one. Here, this operation is defined as this. So here, this is served as A, as this served as B. You simply substitute it into this. So this one, you have 2 plus A. So 2 times A. What is A? 32. What is B? B, that's B, minus 49 plus minus 49. You have it like that. So if you multiply it, you have 64 minus 49. This minus this, 14 minus this, that's 5, 15. So that's the answer. Now, again, you have to evaluate that this question 4. Evaluate integral of 4x minus 6 cube root of x. You have this in brackets dx. This is integral calculus, definite integral. Now, what you are going to do first is to integrate. So then you come and substitute for this. So how are you going to integrate? Look, first of all, integrate this. Integral of this will give you 4x squared divided by 2. Well, let me do it like that. Minus 6. Now, what you are going to do is that this one has 2. What you are going to do is that in law of indices, you first of all disembody this to the law of indices. That is, if you have something like this in law of indices, ax raised to power b. So what you simply do is that this one can be a, this, you have b over a. So this one, this is similar to this. So that's what we are going to do. So a multiplied by, before you integrate. So well, let have this one just as 4x first. Let's put this one well. So what we have here is x raised to power what? 2 over 3 into bracket ds. So you can now have this one as 4x minus 6x 2 over 3 dx. So for here, you have 4 integral of x minus 6 integral of this one dx, integral of x 2 raised to power 3 dx. So that is what we have. Then integral of this is what? That's x raised to power 1, then plus 1. That will be raised to power 2 divided by 2. So you will have 4x squared divided by 2. For this, let me write it out so you see it. Here you have x raised to power 2 over 3 plus 1. Then divided by 2 over 3 plus 1. That's integral. So what will this answer be? This one will give you x raised to power 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 3. So that is what we have here. Here you have 6 minus 6. So you have minus 6 times x raised to power 5 over 3 divided by 5 over 3. So you have this one like this. You can place a 1 and 0 there. Now, again, this cancel this. You will have 2x squared minus, look at this one, 6x raised to power 5 3 divided by 5 over 3. You have this one like this. 1 0. Now, let's clean this. So what do you have here? You have 2x squared minus 6x 5 raised to power 3. Then times, you change this one. That's 3 over 5. Then you have this one like this. 1 0. Then you have 1 0, 2x squared minus 3 times 6 is 18x 5 raised to power 3 over 5. Now you have integrated it. So what we are going to do next, come and substitute this one into this, and 1 and 0. So here, anywhere you see x, you put 1 there. So here is 2 times 1 squared minus 18 times 1 raised to power 5 over 3 divided by 5 minus, now this is 0. Here you will have 2 times 0 squared minus 18 times 0, 5 raised to power 3 divided by 5. So you have this like this. So what do you have here? 2. 1 square is 1 and it's 2. 2. Then what do you have here? 1 raised to power 5 over is 1. Multiply by, you have 18 over 5 over this. Minus 0. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. 0 multiplied by this 0. All the aspect is 0. So minus this is still the same thing. So from there you can have 2 minus this. So that's what we are going to do now. Look at this. The LCM is 5. So you will have 5 into what? 5 in 1. 5, but that's 5 multiplied by 2, 10. Minus 5 in 5 is 1 times 18 is 18. So this minus this, we have minus 8 over 5. So that is the answer. So the answer there is what? B. That's B. Now, again, look at this one. The population of a village decreased from 230 to 1040 due to breakout of an epidemic diseases. What is the percentage decrease? Look, what is percentage decrease? This is question number 5. So we stop here. Now, the question of what is percentage? If you want to calculate percentage, so the difference between these 2, 3, 0, you minus it 0, so you have 0 here. 1 here is 13, so you have 9. Here is 1. So what you have here is 190. The difference is what? 190. So what you have here, what's the decrease? The decreasing value divided by what? The original value. Original value is what? That's what the decrease. Then multiply by 100 over 1. So that is it. This one will be 1,000. That's 19,000 divided by 1230 equal to. So that's what we are going to do. 1900 divided by 1230. So your answer is 15.447 approximately. So if you approximate it, you can have this 0.45. So 0.45%. So that's it. The answer there is that's D. The answer there is D. So that is it. That's percentage decrease. Thanks for watching. You can help us to subscribe to our channel and equally share with your friend. Make your comments. If there's any question that is confusing you, you can put it in the comment section. We attend to it. Or any aspects that you need our help, you can equally put it there. Thank you.